Let's learn to read. Sound sentence practice.
The bed is big. The bed is big. The hat is red. The hat is red. The net is strong. The net is strong. The dog is wet. The dog is wet.
Your turn.